As the sun graces us with its radiant glow, every sight becomes a joy to behold. It's the perfect moment to roll up our sleeves and get down to business, just like the diligent bees buzzing from flower to flower. The song we're sharing today is one that calls for a collective effort. It's all about cleaning up, making our homes sparkle, and ensuring everything is just fine. Imagine the toys scattered across the room. It's time to pick them up and return them to their rightful place. We sweep the floors, dust the shelves, ensuring our space not just meets but excels our expectations. The chorus echoes our mission: cleaning up, making our homes sparkle and shine. It's a task we undertake together, making our space the best it can be. Cleaning isn't just about tidiness, it's about taking pride in our surroundings. It's about everyone joining hands and working together to create an environment that makes us say, wow. Picture the windows, once blurry with dust, now gleaming with cleanliness. Imagine taking out the trash, recycling, and playing our part in keeping our planet as fresh and new as possible. As we clean, we're not just transforming our homes, we're also changing the world around us. The song comes to a close with a triumphant note. With teamwork and smiles spreading wide, our homes and surroundings glow with pride. We've cleaned up, we've started, and in this tidy space, we've won. So remember, whether it's a sunny day or a cloudy one, there's always a chance to make our spaces shine. It's a team effort, a collective push towards a cleaner, brighter world. And in the end, it's not just about having a tidy space, but also about the pride and satisfaction that comes with it. So let's roll up our sleeves just like the bees and make the world a cleaner place, one room at a time.